Hi, Tricia from Nature Lover Canada. Here we are at Mikisew Provincial Park. So this is the pet beach. It's actually fenced off part of it. Oh, there she goes, crazy again. But it's not fenced off into the park, so it's actually, the water feels really good. It's nice and cool, but not cold. It's not warm, even though it's shallow. This is a fantastic dog beach. You can see the outside part there is fenced off. Unfortunately, you still need to be able to call your dog back because, as you can see, there's no fence that goes down to the water there. And if we turn this way, the fence stops right there. And look at these views. Isn't that just gorgeous? Cute little island out there in the middle of the lake. This would be Mikisew Lake, since we are at Mikisew Provincial Park. Just absolutely breathtaking here. Definitely recommend it if you have a dog. The great thing about washing your stuff when you're camping is it doesn't have to be perfect. And it's not going to get ironed anyway, so. This is the anti-wrinkle technique of camping. If you never see Chitra wear this again during the trip, we're on our third day, then you'll know that it was too wrinkled for her to wear. Okay. So then you just hang your clothes. Wait. Bob's your uncle. What you doing?
I was swinging in my hammock.
Should I swing you?
Whee!
You're like a little kid in there.
I love it. Love my hammock.
Looks pretty comfy. We're going to start a fire to cook some dinner. I haven't exactly decided what I'm making, so you'll... So this is about a 2K trail. So here's the Mikisew disc course. There are actually 18 holes. So if you're into disc golf, fantastic. I guess this trail is a hiking trail and a disc trail, so not maybe as rustic as the other one, or as nature oriented. Here's a good view of the mesh thing I was trying to talk to you about. So you have to get your disc into that thing there to get points.
I couldn't get those discs into those little things.
No.
And they give you the par for it. If you stand there, it's way, way, way over there. And that's par 2.
And sometimes around the corner.
Yeah, par 2 for them.
So this trail has quite a different feel, at least right now, than the other trail, the beginning that we got to experience. And here's some beautiful ferns. This lovely... It's a beautiful evening. It's about 25 degrees Celsius in the middle of, or near the end of July. Whee! She's always got to be first. We did the Beaver Meadow Trail last night, and that was quite nice. Very beautiful. It was in the evening. The mosquitoes did eventually run us off. Mikisew Provincial Park. We're on a great site. It's huge, actually. There are 2 main trails that are 2 and 2.3 kilometers long, and then 3 smaller trails. One that goes out to a point, one that goes along the shoreline, and the other one that kind of joins Maple Ridge with the shoreline area. The dog park / beach is fenced in and has a beautiful sandy, shallow beach. It's a fantastic dog park, or I guess beach. Probably one of the best we've seen with everything involved. And it's been pretty quiet, which is nice. So this is late July, and this is our first camping trip, thanks to the virus. And you can see I don't have my hiking legs under me. And normally by this time we will have been camping quite a few different times, even if it's just weekends. And I think I'm just starting to get into the trip. First couple of days were a little challenging. If you've seen the videos, you'll know what I'm talking about, at least to a degree. It's just nice to be outside, out hiking, out in nature, away from the news and social media and everything like that. And I really hope you guys are getting out there too, even if it's just for the day, even if it's just for an evening, and being safe, but you know, recharging those batteries, because we're all feeling very stressed and we're all feeling very isolated. And there's places close to home, I'm sure, that you can get out to. So, you know, do that for yourself and spend a little time outside. What do you think? You can look everywhere except where the camera is. So here's the Mikisew disc course, the mesh thing I was trying to talk to you about. So you have to get your disc into that thing there. The great thing about beaver dams is they create some amazing, as destructive as it is initially, it then creates some amazing habitat. And now we've gotten into more of a natural habitat trail.
I've never seen
You see that's a little tree frog sleeping.